In my university undergraduate days, I spent a summer studying abroad in Spain. It was one of those European heatwave summers where it was around 100 degrees every day, and I had no air conditioning in my dorm room. This travel capsule is partly based on that experience, so this is what I would pack if I were traveling to Europe this summer. This is what I would pack based on that experience. For starters, I would take 2 dresses. Both of these are cotton blends, and neither one of them are form-fitting, loose-fitting for the heat. I'd pack 2 tops, one sleeveless, one with sleeves, and both are loose-fitting. A jacket just in case, or at least a light jacket, and then the sleeveless moisture-wicking active top. In my midlife years, I'm not as crazy about shorts, so I prefer skirts instead. They just cover my legs a little bit better, and they do have shorts underneath them. Linen is an ideal fabric for Europe in the summer because it's breathable and lightweight. I know some of you ladies ask for nylon. They are not a good option for when it's hot, but here's a pair of nylon active pants. But let's start with this dress. I'm going to go ahead and tell you this is a quick seller, and the petite sizes in this color have already sold out. Loose fitting, nothing fancy, very classic style here. When you look back on your photos from Europe in 20 years, you will not cringe at what you're wearing if you wear this dress. And I've paired it with a pair of supportive slide sandals. These are not orthotics, but they are definitely more supportive than most sandals. And as always in Europe, a crossbody bag with a zipper to keep your belongings in and pickpockets out. Next, I'm going to pair this moisture-wicking sleeveless top with a skirt. This top is made for pickleball, golf, activity. It's moisture wicking, so it keeps moisture away from the skin. If it's a hot day in Europe, this is a good choice. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is a slightly mauve pink. It's somewhere between a beige and pink. Slip-on sneakers, and I realize I'm not wearing socks in this video. I would definitely be wearing socks in Europe. And then I've put a crossbody bag with it that's just got a little hit of that mauvey pink beige to it. Super stylish in that active wear genre of fashion, and a great choice if you are going to be outside walking and it's one of those hot European summer days. Next, I'm going to pair it with this loose-fitting short sleeve top. It has that billowing effect to it, and I love this one. I'm ordering it in 2 more colors today. It might be my favorite top this summer. I've paired it with the skirts, and now I'm going to pair it with the supportive slide sandals. There is something inherently chic about the black and beige color combination. And I love this outfit for a casual, effortless European summer look. This is a great look if you're going touristing with walking, not a ton of walking, but if you are going to be doing some walking and seeing the sights. Next, I'm going to swap out the lighter skirt, and it's a little bit more of a slim skirt, for the skirt with an A-line. And it has a little bit of a flounce to it. Again, there's shorts underneath it. I love that everything about this outfit is loose fitting. If it is a hot day in Europe, and I'm sorry if I'm talking about hot days a lot in Europe because that's the only European summer days I knew were very hot summer days. I did not have air conditioning in my dorm room, so I would go back to my dorm room and turn on the cold water, which thank goodness was very cold coming out of the tap. Stand under it for as long as I could stand it. And that is how I cooled off. Here I'm going to pair the black top with the beige linen crop pants. If you are in a warm weather climate, linen is an ideal fabric. It is lightweight and breathable, and it allows air to flow around the skin, keeping it cool. Where I live in the Florida Keys, this is an ideal fabric. If you have trouble with the wrinkles of linen, then it's probably not for you. But go back and watch some Miami Vice episodes and you will see why linen is oh so chic and stylish. I really love this look here. I'm going to pair the beige tank with the beige linen crop pants and put black accent colors with it to add depth and interest. Another look for a very hot day if you want to have your legs covered. And again, that black and beige color combination is oh so chic. I'm not showing you every combination here, but you get the idea. I'm going to show you the nylon active pants paired with the mauve beige active shirt. Now, a word about these nylon pants. They still wrinkle when packed in a suitcase, and they are not ideal for hot days because it will stick to your skin. But there were several ladies that asked for something other than linen. Here you go. I would probably just wear these on the airplane. They're not something that I would likely wear when doing tourist activities in Europe. And finally, the black tank dress. I really love this. But just a quick word on color palette. I am a warm neutral. I cannot change my skin tone to match yours. So I'm not showing cool neutrals. If you are a cool neutral, think grays, blacks, baby blues, light blues, slate blues. I love this dress. It is just so simple and so chic. And I know that I'll look back in 20 years and won't cringe thinking, what was I wearing? So let me know in the comments below, first, where you're commenting from, and second, where you're traveling to this summer. I love reading your comments. It is one of the brightest spots of my day, so please leave a comment. I'm I'm including a wrap here because some of the religious sites you must cover your shoulders, and it's just good to have, especially for the airplane. Until we meet again.